I'll tell you what I want. You can just say yes or no. The Japanese Moltres, Sylveon VMAX, the Yokohama Pikachu, that Delta Species Espeon. I need that for my PC. I have like multiple, like different ones. I have 2 Dragonite Delta reverses. I love that card. Do you want Black Label Lugia? Paradigm Trigger?
Oh, no, not the Japanese. No.
Okay. Last Soul's 31. If you want it, I can do trade. Espeon, and then depending if you want to sell the Umbreon VMAXs.
What do you pay for those?
What would be the total sticker? I'd do... You take PayPal, right?
Yeah.
Um,
So if it was 1,300, 1,300.
Last Soul's 1190 on Umbreons, but 280, I don't know what you have this at, 180?
I think so.
280, 180, 165. And what is that, 550? I think this is closer to 550. Or no, this damage anyway. Never mind, my bad. 280 and 180 and 165.
165.
Stickers 4K, 4,075.
I think so. I got a different number both times.
So you have what? You have. I want to be at market 1250 on Umbreons, so 2,500 market. Oh, the Blastoise too. You have 1 or 2 of them?
There's 2 of those.
I'll take both of those, if that's cool with you.
But you have to use this.
What? What? We have such a nice fan sitting over there. You see him? You want to use this coin? 50. You said 54, 55? 53, 55. Middle point 54. That's fair. That's 87%.
You might win.
Yeah, you might.
You might. It's a 50 shot.
I lost against, or I actually beat him. I beat him, so I might lose to you now.
Yeah, it's
I didn't flip him. That he didn't want to flip, so.
54, 55 is good.
You want to do 53, 50, 54, 50, a smaller flip? You want big flip? 53, 55.
54, 55. That's...
You think he should do the 53, 55, right?
You can stretch these higher.
Okay, I'll do 54, 55. I keep the guards. I get these for $6 each.
Yeah, me too. It's...
54, 55, PayPal, FNF. Let's do this. Your coin or mine?
Mine. Yours is Wade.
All right.
Do you flip?
Lawson, right?
Yeah.
Lawson.
Dawson.
Dawson. You said yeah, and then you're like, wait, no,
I
it's
think you
Dawson.
said
Dawson,
Dawson.
I got 2 Umbreons, a Japanese and an English Delta Species Espeon. I got a Wild Bulbasaur in the background. I got a Flareon, Blastoises, more Blastoises, and some Altards and... Should I go heads or tails? Wait, hold on. Which one's heads?
Butterfree.
That's heads? Should I go heads or tails?
I would say tails, so you should go heads.
Wait, what's Butterfree?
Butterfree's heads.
I should go heads? All right, I'm going heads. Butterfree. It was tails.
All right, give me my money. Which side am I?
Damn, I just got printed on. He has a whole suitcase for me.
No, it's not.
I need expense. Oh, thank you, bro. Appreciate it. I need $200 to $300, $400 slabs.
Well, I don't know if I have that.
What are you gonna give me? $20 slabs?
We're gonna find out together.
You have a whole Zion case dedicated to me? I don't know. Mine's 000. I'm
easy to rob.
I'm a simple man.
Well, you need these. I know you do. Some XY boxes.
Are they 3K each?
They're a little under.
I need CP6, not these.
Well, I'm out of CP6.
Show me the good stuff. Can I take it out?
It's nothing crazy.
Ray
I did
VMAX?
get wiped out.
Okay, I like Lily.
Yeah, there's some good cards in it.
Maybe this. Maybe that.
See?
Pass.
Are you with Arvin?
Yeah, that's Monica.
Monica?
Yep.
I'm Sam. Nice to meet you.
She's from Colombia.
Colombia. Nice.
There's a little bit of milk and not much else.
I sold a lot yesterday, dude. Look at my cases. They're sad and empty.
I know, bro. You have nothing left. This is cool, but
Dude, you want Komodo for sure.
Komodo
Rainbow. Oh, I didn't place that one yet.
pigeon. You can put these
There's
away.
a little bit of stuff.
Yeah,
you
there's a,
want that Sylveon. I know you do.
yeah, I know. Sylveon and Venusaur.
I
I feel like I'm moving in hyperspeed today. Because yesterday I was only here for 2 hours. And I think that's
You know what?
Crammer. Give me
Yeah, I
Crammy.
was gonna say.
Give me Crammy.
Base Zard 9? Come on.
No.
Bitch,
Wait,
Arvin.
how good can you give me on that?
That's what it comps at. Like,
Let me see.
Wait, you're telling me your chat doesn't like this shit?
No, I
It's
need
the only
10s.
silver card. 10s.
I know it is. A zero sir is cool.
I know.
12, 12, 1150, 1K, 12. Sure, we could maybe do 1150 market.
There we go.
All right, pass on those milks.
Really?
I want all this milk. Yeah, those are like PSA 9s and like shitters. All right, you want to start adding
Did you get bans?
on TikTok? Yeah, I made a new account. I got banned
How did you get
37
banned?
times for gambling.
Nice.
So I just made a TikTok shopping cart and I'm not getting banned anymore. TikTok's so stupid, bro. And I have hella haters. I don't blame them because I'm printing. Whatever. 125, 1150. This is like 120, I think. I'm not even gonna comp, bro. Maybe I'll comp this because I have no
Should
idea.
be pretty similar. It's pretty close.
That's like 320, that's like 300.
Threes, I
Yeah. It was 270.
366.
Look right before it. Look right before it.
350 card.
Look right before it. It was like 250.
That was a different month. That was August.
I know.
It's September now.
I'll just agree with you on that. I don't care. This whatever. I don't care. This 1150, 120, 350. You can hold off on this. What is this, like 80 bucks? 60. I'm not even gonna comp you. 100, 100. This is like 240, 250. I don't even know what this is. 220, whatever.
It's right around there.
Just say 300. I'm not gonna waste your time.
We'll say 325.
Sure.
Like that.
What's that total right now? 3180.
Yeah.
Market's 3180. Flip 2627. With the Venusaur.
That's fine.
2627.
Yeah, that's fine. Do you have PSA 10 for it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to him after too. Master set, you ready, buddy?
Wait, am I? You're calling?
Sure, I'll call it. Ready?
Wait, hold on. Let me make sure this is a real coin.
We got a Venusaur, Charizard, Lily, Aerodactyl, Mew, Altaria, Shinies. This Ancient Mew is a 10. Sylveon, base hit Charizards. That's a nice card. And a Cramorant. Market's 31, probably 2600 or 20.
26 or
no.
27.
Did I say that wrong? Am I tripping? Was it 25, 26 or 26?
26,000 or 27,000.
Hold on, I don't want to overpay.
I'll show you.
It was 3180, right?
Yeah. No, you're right.
All right, 26, 27, yep.
Yeah.
All right, you throw, I call?
Yeah.
Tails. Tails, 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 tails. That is tails. That is
There's
tails.
a head on there.
That's tails. That's heads.
There's two heads.
2600, brother. Golden balls. Thank you, brother. Okay, cards I want. Can I take them out? I'm gonna attack this case. Okay, let's go. This is like 110, 120. Yeah, that's over comp. This is like 160. This is like 260. That's Chinese. I don't want that. I think we are.
I had a DSG come and solicit me for about 30 minutes. With a fucking
You should submit with us. This is why we provide the best service. Okay, what is that? I'll tell you right now. Right in front of you. Ready? Watch. 260, 160. Oh my God. That's 420, right? Plus 110, 550. And let me check these on this. What do you put on this? 650?
that one goes in, man, that one fluctuates every fucking time.
400? Wait, that at 6. So take 50 bucks off. Let me check this. Bro, this is like 3. 280, 320, and 380. Like, I'll give you like 330 market on this.
Dude, it's 460.
Right before that 288 again.
It's an 800.
You can take it out if you want. I'd be at
What do you want to do?
330 market. Look at the last two, bro. 280 and 310.
You'd be at what?
330 market.
350.
340.
Dude,
340.
down here.
Yeah, I
Come
know.
up there. 350. 350.
Sure.
You're fine with it.
Okay, where are we at? Just take off the 50 bucks for this.
600.
550, 260, 160, and 110. What are we at? 2000? 16, 17 flip. 17 is 85%, 16 is 80%. You throw, I throw, you call, whatever. We got a tag team Raichu, Umbreon with a Swirl, Dark Charizard, beautiful CD Blastoise, but it's actually a Squirtle deck. Pikachu and Vaporeon. That's fair. Because I didn't destroy you on comps on 16, 17.
Good luck, bro.
I call, yeah.
Let's go.
Tails. That's it. 1700.